Well, thank you all so much for your support of our annual Have a Heart, Help a Neighbor fundraising campaign, where we partner with Second Harvest Northland to make sure our neighbors are fed this holiday season. Our Sabrina Ullman was at the distribution center in Grand Rapids and learned more about the work that local organizations do to support the food bank.
It's really important for our community to come together as a whole.
Each year during our Have a Heart Helping Neighbor fundraising campaign, hundreds of pounds of food is donated to Second Harvest Northland.
Second Harvest Northland serves 15 counties in the area, helping a variety of locations. There's a box here going towards Walker, there's one here going towards Longville. All of these areas are helped by this food bank and by the one in Duluth.
Well, it's a great resource to answer to the needs of the community in relation to food insecurities, and the need of not only just our local community but the community around us, the whole Itasca County. It's a great resource for providing folks with the needs that they have on an everyday basis.
In addition to donations being needed, you also need to have volunteers for an organization like this. Second Harvest Northland has a whole slew of volunteers, including from different organizations such as Grand Rapids State Bank.
Grand Rapids State Bank is an independently owned four-generation family bank, and we've had a long historical relationship with helping the Second Harvest Food Bank. Helps them achieve their mission statement of ending food hunger.
Grand Itasca Clinic and Hospital also works closely with Second Harvest, volunteering regularly.
I'd say in 2020, the relationship with Grand Itasca and Second Harvest was really strengthened. When the pandemic came, the need for food grew significantly. And on the other side of that, then the volunteers weren't able to get here and help package all the food. And so Grand Itasca started sending a team over monthly, and they would help package the food, get it ready to go out the door.
And Grand Itasca has a routine screening to find out who needs help.
We knew how important it was to find out who in our community is really struggling. And so we started changing up our process. So when people are coming in for every appointment, they're getting screened, asking the questions, have you run out of food in the last 12 months, or have you been afraid you'd run out of food?
Asking these questions lets staff direct those in need to local food shelves and other programs without calling anyone out.
People that we're helping are the people we're sitting at the football games with. They're the people that we're talking to in the grocery stores. And so when someone comes in, I think it's hard sometimes for people to reach out to people that they know. But when we made that part of our process, it kind of took that stigma away, and they know that we ask that of every person coming through. Do you have food insecurity? And so we are able to help our community and help the people in it, and lessen the stigma so that they can get the help that they need.
For WDIO News, I'm Sabrina Ullman.
And thank you again so much. You can still donate online right now at WDIO.